building blocks of a database are tables, each containing data related to a specific subject. A company database, for example, may contain an employee table that lists the names and personal details of all employees. Before creating a database in Access, you need to plan the tables on paper so that the data in the database is structured in a meaningful way. Without a set structure, it's difficult to retrieve information effectively. The process of designing and creating a table involves 5 steps. 1. Creating the new table. 2. Entering field names, data types, properties, and descriptions. 3. Setting the primary key of the table. 4. Creating indexes for the appropriate fields, and 5. Saving the table's design and populating it. Once you've created a table, it's important that you name it according to its content, so that it's clear where and how it fits into the database. Most Access developers adopt naming conventions that help them identify the various tables. An important convention is to use descriptive names that inform you exactly what data the table contains, especially for large databases, where you may have various tables for different aspects of a specific subject. For example, you may have 2 tables with information on employees. Instead of naming them Employees 1 and Employees 2, you should be more descriptive and name them Employee List and Employee Details, for example. Although Access allows you to use spaces in table names, you should avoid them, because they can cause major technical problems when upsizing the database to other environments. Access allows for long table names, so you can use the full names instead of abbreviations to avoid confusion. But you also want to keep names concise. For example, there is no need to name a table List of Company Customers when Customer List is just as descriptive. Because tables aren't the only objects in a database, it makes sense to use the name of the table to identify it as such. A basic naming convention to distinguish tables from other database objects, such as forms, reports, macros and modules, is to add the prefix TBL to the name. For example, a table that contains customer details could be named TBL Customer Details. Which table name follows the correct naming convention for